స్టార్ట్ చేయండి సార్.
Now the BSc Physics in third paper as well as fifth paper is the common syllabus. So that is the physiology. So in the physiology first unit, so only digestion and excretion. These two topics are discussed in the unit number 1. Today is digestion. So what is digestion already you know. It is a simple method. So you are ready up to 10th level to you already you know what is digestion, but something you don't know. Digestion means so macromolecules are converted into micromolecules under presence of enzymes. Macro means large molecules are converted into micros under presence of enzymes in the alimentary canal. The process is takes place in the alimentary canal. The process is going on through the enzymes. So these what we are in the food stuff, what we are consumed food waste are in the form of macromolecules. The macromolecules when enter into the alimentary canal. So in this alimentary canal, whatever under presence of enzyme, they are modified to simplest molecules. These simplest molecules can able to enter into the blood circulatory system of any animal body. So here digestion means digestion degradation. Macromolecules are modified to micromolecules under presence of enzymes is called as digestion. So in the digestive system, two important parts are there. So one is the alimentary canal, digestive system. So digestive system is contain the two important major parts. One is the alimentary canal, second one is the digestive enzymes. Alimentary canal already you know. Alimentary canal is a tube. Tube means it is not with mouth and with anus. In between these different kind of modified systems are there already you know. So alimentary canal is not in any animal body, not only in the human beings, any animal body. So alimentary canal is not with mouth and with anus. So generally I have displayed in the board the human digestive system. So you know mouth is starting, anus is the independent of the animal body. So here mouth is leading to the buccal cavity, is communicating the pharynx, is recommunicating the esophagus, it's connected with stomach. Stomach is recommunicated with intestine, intestine is recommunicated with ileum, ileum is recommunicated with rectum, rectum is recommunicated with anus, anus is the out sending out any undigested food is sent out through the last tool is called as anus. Intake food is takes place in the mouth. So in between the different parts are there. These different parts are modified. It is not commonly present in all animals. So these are the different. It is a common mouth is starting by anus, but in between the what parts are there, according to their food habit, there are different kind of modifications also take place. Commonly present, almost all the these parts are commonly present in every animal, but here and there some modifications are there. Situation we are discussing about the modification. So here what happened? Digestive system is contained in two parts. One is alimentary canal, digestive tract. So alimentary canal means tube-like structure. In this tube canal, food is passed from mouth to anus. So generally, this alimentary canal contains the following parts: mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine, ileum, rectum, anus. So you know already what is mouth? Mouth is the starting point of the alimentary canal. Food is consumed, injection is takes place. Food is intaken takes place to the first hole is called as mouth. Mouth is recommunicated to the buccal cavity. In the buccal cavity is present in between the two important upper and lower jaw. In between this upper and lower jaw, what is there? Buccal cavity is present. The upper jaw contains the teeth as well as lower jaw contains the teeth. So in between these two jaws containing portion, we are generally described as buccal cavity. It is very important. So buccal cavity is very because of the upper consuming of the food. First food is entered into the buccal cavity only. So in this buccal cavity, through the teeth, so what are their cutting processes takes place. It is not directly, not digestion is not going on in the buccal cavity. Just only through the physical action is takes place. Through the teeth, so another big parts are modified to small parts. Not a big molecules are not modified to simple process is not takes place. Just only the large part leaves whatever it may be muscle parts. So whatever it may be, they are just through the physical action, through the teeth, physical action is takes place. Through the physical action, so whatever small parts are making takes place in the buccal cavity. So that's why buccal cavity is very important through this mastication is takes place. Through this in between this water when the center of buccal cavity tongue is also there. So tongue is useful for the taste buds are present on the tongue. Taste is also observation is takes place. That is the chemical observation, chemo observation, whatever it may be, different kind of observation takes place through the teeth, through the tongue. So through these two action, what is the two action here? One is the teeth action, other is the tongue action. Through these teeth modified as smallest one. The smallest parts are mixed with the saliva through the action of tongue. So after that, ball-like structures are formed. The ball-like structures are entered of the pharynx. Pharynx is the communicating system, that digestive system as well as respiratory system. The two systems interlock with the pharynx. So the respiratory system is also coming pharynx. The digestive system is also coming to pharynx. Pharynx is communicated to the esophagus. So esophagus is coming to the stomach. In the stomach, what happens? Chemical action takes place. In the stomach, what action? Chemical action only takes place. Through the chemical action, partial digestion is going on in the stomach. So after partial digestion, the partial digestion food is entered the small intestine. So in the small intestine, what happens? Complete digestion takes place. It means complete what is means under thing in the digestive definition. The macromolecules, it is chemical actions or takes place in the intestine, small intestine. So what is the way? Macromolecules are converted to micromolecules under presence of enzyme. Through these enzymes, what are the largest molecules are modified to simplest molecules under presence of enzymes. These all are come under the chemical actions or takes place. Through the chemical action, complete digestion takes place in the intestine. So after digestion, the digestion food is entered the ileum. In the ileum, what happens? So digestion food is reabsorption takes place. Undigested food is entered the rectum. So after small time stored in the undigested food is stored in the rectum, then after through the anus, undigested is sending out through the anus. So like that, this is the mechanism which takes place. Already you know everything. It is a small part, but it is not important. So in this we are studying the final year as well as third semester, fifth semester. Not like that generally in the examination, explain about the digestive system of human being, like this question will be not asking. So what chemical actions are going on? How they are modified? What are the meaning of macromolecules? What kind of enzymes are involving? So how they are modified the simplest molecule. This is the main process in the examination point of view. In the examination, describe about the digestion in alimentary canal, or describe about the digestion in buccal cavity, or describe about digestion in stomach, or describe about the digestion in intestine. These three questions generally asking in the examination. So not this general question is not asking. What kind of chemical actions are takes place? So chemical actions discussed later, you know already. What is the digestive system? But there are two parts: alimentary canal, digestive gland. So general morphological information what is given you. That is digestive tract is start with mouth, end with anus. So digestive glands. These are the important. What is gland? Gland means chemical producing center. Numerous glands are there in animal body. Not only 1, 2, 3. You know, sweat gland, sebaceous glands, pancreas, liver, intestine, and the intestinal glands. So thyroid, thymus, and numerous uncountable glands are present in any animal body. All glands are not producing similar chemical component. They are different glands can able to produce the different kind of chemicals. That is important. It is gland with chemical producing center in the animal body is called as gland. And numerous glands are there. Milk glands or mammary gland can able to produce the milk. So salivary glands can produce the saliva. So stomach gland, gastric gland can produce the gastric juice. Intestinal gland produce the intestinal juice. Pancreas produce the pancreatic juice. Liver produce the bile juice. So like the numerous glands can able to produce the numerous chemicals. So whatever it may be, general gland definition means chemical producing center in the animal body is called as gland. So here we are discussing only digestive system. That's why digestive glands. So the following glands are present in the digestive gland. There are first one salivary glands. 4 pairs of salivary glands are present surrounding the buccal cavity. Salivary glands only present near to the buccal cavity only. So after that gastric glands are there. So then after interstitial glands also there. So then pancreas is there. So then after liver is there. So these 4 important glands are chemical substance producing center. So four different kind of glands, and this is a physiological element in there. This physiological element